Hi, my name's Zach Rubio. I'm 20 years old. I live in Los Angeles, California. I don't really know why you guys are here because I don't have an addiction.
Yes, you do.
Okay. Look. Zach called you guys here for this whole dumb setup thing because he thinks I say shoo way too much, but I don't, so this whole video is pointless. You guys don't need to be here. It's all dumb.
My name's Zach, and I'm Zach's coworker. I'm the one who set all of this up because I seriously am concerned for him. I hope that today we are able to kind of come up with a solution that will help him realize just how serious his problem is.
I think I started doing it about a few months ago, you know. I was just on the TikTok, just going through my For You page, trying to get all my stock advice, the daily sports news, things like that. And I saw these guys do it, and I thought, hey, why not give it a try? I did it once, posted a TikTok, kind of went viral, not gonna lie, light flex. And then from then on, it just started becoming a part of my daily life, you know?
Hi, my name is Cheyenne. I'm 20 years old, and I'm auditioning for this season of The Bachelor.
And speaking on Zach now, how often does he say it and how much does it affect your life?
He says it a lot, way more than the average person should.
Dude, I don't even say it that much. I barely even say it.
He says it for just about anything and everything.
You know, I say it like when you have a really nice outfit on, you see yourself in the mirror and you're like, sheesh.
In the middle of studying.
Let's go, sheesh. You know, or those other nights when you're just having a really good dream and then you're just asleep and you're just like, sheesh. Sheesh. There's just something so cathartic about how it feels when you're just letting it rip, and you know, like my soul floats a little closer to God every time I let one out, you know?
All right, so I think we finally figured out how we're gonna help Zach with his problem. Check it out. I present to you the Sheesh Counter 9000. I think this is really gonna help Zach come to terms with how serious his addiction has gotten. So we're gonna be using the same voice recognition module from our previous video. We're gonna be hooking that up to an Arduino Nano and LCD screen, all mounted in a custom 3D printed housing. Shout out to Aiden for the design. Of course, we're also gonna need to be retraining the module on the different kind of sheeshes that Zach could possibly be saying. So we're gonna be following him around for a day just to make sure we capture all of those.
Oh my God, that was so good. Sheesh. Ah, sheesh. 5, 6, 7, 8. Testing out the new Sheesh Counter 5000 and powering on. There we go. Sheesh! Hey! Sheesh! Hey! Sheesh! Fuck! Sheesh! Hey! Sheesh! Hey! Sheesh! 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 Sheesh!
All right, Zach.
Yeah, what's up?
Dude, what is this?
Bro, this is a banger!
Pause real quick.
Hot!
Pause real quick.
What do you want?
Look. Myself and everyone else, your family, all your friends, we think that you have a problem. We went to some professionals. We got you something custom made just for you.
Custom made?
Look at that.
Sheesh, what is that, dude? This looks amazing. What is this?
All right, this is the Sheesh Counter 7000. All right, you're gonna strap that to your arm right there.
Right here?
You're gonna wear that for about 24 hours.
Yeah.
I think it's really gonna help you come to terms with just how bad your problem is.
Damn, dude, this looks sick, though. I don't know what problem I have. The only problem I have is this thing is dripped out.
Hey Zach,
Yeah?
how's the counter going?
Dude, check it out. Look what number I'm on. Sheesh! Oh,
Hey, we brought you a brownie.
Ooh, okay. Let's see what we got here. Sheesh! Ah, that was good.
So, I was saying, Pablo's the best character.
Damn, dude, that's what I was saying. Sheesh! Okay.
We're back. It's been about 24 hours, so we're just gonna go check on Zach now, see how he's doing. Yo, Zach.
What's up?
How's it going? How's the counter?
I think I kind of hit the limit on it.
Hit
I
the
don't know
limit.
if, it's
Nine,
been like that for a
nine,
while.
nine. Yeah, I don't really think it's meant to go that high.
I've been kind of wondering what happens if I go past it, dude.
No,
Should I do it
I
one
don't
more
think so.
time?
No,
I
I
think
don't
this is
think
the
so.
high score, dude. And you know what they say when I get a high score? That calls
I think
for
it means you have a problem.
I think it means for one more.
Maybe not.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Sheesh!